almost finished. Welcome to part 3 of our backyard patio transformation, where we're replacing these old string lights. First of all, the old ones were just not working really well. A few of them were on, a few of them were off, so we just went ahead and upgraded, and I'm so glad that we did, because this one comes with a remote control function with a lot of cool options. We're also building our brand new grill, adding a large umbrella for some shade, as well as decorating with some seriously affordable patio finds that just made a huge difference. And trust me, our vision for this cozy backyard oasis is finally starting to come to life. If you love DIY patio makeovers, budget backyard transformations, and affordable outdoor living ideas, you're in the right place. For anyone that's new here, we started our backyard makeover a few months ago, actually, starting in the springtime, where we started with the foundation, cleaning down the patio and the backyard, as well as we went ahead and built all the new furniture. In part 2, we upgraded our privacy to something that just gives us so much more privacy and allows us to just feel more comfortable inside the space, as well as our new ambient lighting. So let's go ahead and start building this grill. As you guys can see, it was very tedious. They said the regular timeline of building this grill takes about 3 to 5 hours, and I must say it took us 2 hours and about 40 something minutes, so almost 3 hours. They didn't lie. But if you guys are interested, I will leave my LTK down in the description, and I'll also pop it up on the screen here for you guys that are watching from the television, and you can just go ahead and scan the Q code, and that will take you right to my LTK page. To protect our investment, we also went ahead and purchased a grill cover, because this is going to be sitting outside. We want to make sure that we're taking care of it as best as we can. But of course, as always, if you guys are interested in anything that I'm showing in my video, you can find it on my LTK page. Because our old umbrella was too small and it also started to warp a little, it started to bend as if it was going to break, we decided to go ahead and replace it with a new one. I really loved the way that this gray one looked with the wooden feature on it. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. This was so beautiful, but baby, it was outside of the budget. It was almost 600 euros, and it wasn't a part of the budget, so we decided to go ahead and find something that looked similar but was way more affordable, and we did. It just absolutely love it. I cannot wait to build it with you guys. So this is our baby. Let's go home and build it together. When it came to actually building this umbrella, it was so easy. My husband took maybe 5 minutes, I want to say, to build the legs or the stand. All he had to do was put that together, add the contraption that allows it to pivot and turn and whatever that does. And then we took it outside, added the umbrella to it, and just tried to figure out exactly where we wanted this umbrella to stand, so we have the most, I guess, shade as possible from the patio, because we didn't want to go ahead and buy another awning to place on the patio. And I think this was a great idea, because we can move the umbrella around the entire yard and place it wherever we need it. We wanted to place the umbrella to the side of the patio, thinking that it actually pivoted from the sides, from both sides, but apparently it only pivots backwards from the stand back. So we had to we ended up changing the location and just placing it directly in front of the patio, which I actually didn't want, but we did it like that anyway. And we can just pivot the umbrella in the other direction for whenever we take out our picnic table and we want to use the other side of the yard with the umbrella. So I guess maybe it worked out. But it only, if you guys buy the same exact umbrella that we got, it only pivots backward, not from each side like we thought originally. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video for my husband, because he basically did this video all by himself by putting everything together, and I'm so proud of him. So make sure you like and hype this video just for him. After placing our umbrella where we thought was the best location, we went ahead and took out our grill and placed it in the corner. Now we're going to probably put some stones down here, like because we have only that area where the grass just does not grow. We're going to place some stones there or something so that the grill sits directly on it, because our stone pathway that we have at the back there literally does not have enough space for it to sit. I went ahead and added a few pillows to our new chairs, and they look so cute. It's like a light green turquoisey color. I can't really tell you what color this is. I'm not good with colors, but I absolutely love the way they look against the gray. It just gives me a more relaxed, calm feeling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys come back. We have some planting and stuff to do, but of course it's going to be just thrown in our random videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, hype, as well as subscribe if you're not, and I will see you guys in our next video. So as always, until next time, auf Wiedersehen.